Kampung Inggris Babel.
Hello guys, today we are going to show you how to make funny sandwich. What is funny sandwich? Sandwich is bread with something inside, and sandwich is like a little food house. The materials are pear, sausage, vegetable, tomato, cheese, and mayonnaise and sauce. Who want to make a funny sandwich? Let's go! Take one slice of bread. Put some vegetable on the bread. After that, add the sausage and cheese, and then put the mayonnaise and tomato sauce, and the last cover with the second slice of bread. After that, cut the sandwich carefully. And the last, enjoy your funny sandwich with Kampung Inggris Babel. Yum! Bye!
Kampung